Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
It is, what's today?
It
November.
is November 21st, 10:06 a.m.
Is it?
Yes.
We're looking at like the weather, but it's like so hot and I don't understand how weather works in Celsius. Good morning, everybody. So today we're gonna get some GoPro footage because I'm bringing my GoPro with me, and we're going to Pokemon Center Cafe, which is really exciting. Yes. The one in Osaka, and then I guess I feel like we're just exploring pretty much. I think that's kind of the goal.
Yeah.
And taking pictures and stuff like that. So I'm wearing my glasses because I was like, I need to cover my face. So and I'm wearing my blonde wig today.
Yep.
Club.
What club?
It's a girls' club.
Oh.
I think. I don't know. So it's a 500 yen. So not very good girls. Nickel. Cat. Actually, that's it says Cat Cafe. I just got excited. Fourth.
What floor? Oh,
Fourth.
Floor.
But I don't think it's open yet because everything here looks dark. These places look so good.
I'm looking for ramen.
It's so early. Do you want?
Doesn't matter. It's up to you. You know Osaka better than I do.
I don't know Osaka City.
You've been here before.
Once.
Exactly. That's one. You do the math. That's twice. So you have double the experience.
Does yesterday count?
Yes. So I have once and you have twice.
Does that say Jersey time?
New Jersey time, yeah.
Wait, what?
Niku. Cat.
Oh, Niku means meat.
Oh,
beef.
I thought
Neko means
Neko,
cat.
okay.
That's why I'm like, are you gonna? Do you get why I was just like so confused?
Okay. Sorry.
It's okay. Oh, that's
big difference.
Yeah. Oh my god, that pink door is so cute. I don't know what the fuck that is, but it's cute. You see it? It says exit only. I wonder what it is. Pink kawaii. That is so cute. Making lists of where we should go.
Another Ichiran.
It's just the back door. This is the employee door.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and office. That's what I said. It's yeah, it's like the HR things like. I think that's what those girls wore last night.
I don't think it was here.
No, but it might be something like this. Like you feel like they look like they're dressed strangely. Yeah.
Aquarium.
I love Japanese aquariums. They're like so pretty. Oh,
sorry.
It's okay. At this vending machine, it has like dashi in the vending machine with fish in it. Oh my god. Babe.
Hi. It's fun around here.
Now heading to the Pokemon Cafe.
Yellow?
Our reservation's at 3, right? No?
I thought it was 4.
16?
16's 4.
Oh, okay. I can't wait to buy a brush because I feel floofy. I don't know how much money I have on my train pass because I haven't used it in like 6 months. Yeah, so we went to the Pokemon Center?
Yes.
But we went to the wrong one.
Yeah, we went to the wrong one that we're not scheduled to be at, but...
Because there's like a cafe one, and it's that one is... Oh my god, my lips are super dry. That one we have a reservation at 4. So now we have to run over to the right one.
Yeah, but we came here and we looked at it. It's pretty cool. Took some pictures. Oh, and I got her Sylveon, the Pokemon she wanted.
Yeah,
and,
I
like,
got
little like toy thingies.
I'll show y'all later.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so hot. I'm so hot.
Yes, you are.
Thank you, baby. So I'm waiting for John and he's in the bathroom, but it's so fucking hot today. Like, I don't feel like I look pretty, but I'm gonna do a main channel video in the Pokemon Center, so that's a thing. And I feel awkward. I don't know how to vlog in public. Like, I don't understand people who can't vlog in public. It says that as I'm vlogging in public, but it's still weird. So, yeah. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Oh my god, look at this Pokemon. So cute. Look.
How do I look at pictures?
Yeah, this gold collection.
Picture of Charmander.
That's cute.
8 almost.
No, it says on your wedding day. So this is like they give it to you on your wedding day.
Oh,
like
okay.
with money.
Got it, okay.
I don't know why my phone's on such a blue balance. You see it?
Yeah.
Oh, I want these for our keys. We have so many keys, it doesn't make sense for me to get. Oh, look at this one. What is it? It's like a Chinese thing. Mahjong. Oh, look, it's like a origami. Oh, I've seen someone buy these on YouTube. So you can
really?
buy a fake, gachapon. So, I don't think it's worth it though. You know, this is very much for tourists. Does that make sense? Like,
Yeah.
this is very good for tourists. Look at a fluffy. What is this? Oh, these are cards? I don't know what kind of.
They're not like the real Pokemon.
Yeah, they're cute though. I don't know what they're. It's like when you want a sweater, but it's too fucking hot. Oh, look, PJs. These PJs are really cute. Look, Chan. Damn it. They only have M.
Good.
Saved by the size again. Maybe there's too many girlfriends that want to like. Oh, look at the fluffy one. I'm definitely getting socks too. But
Neck warmer.
isn't it just like a scarf? Oh my god, these pouches are so cute.
Hi.
Hey. Oh look. Yay. Oh, I picked such a good seat. Look. I'm gonna put it on my pre-reserved folder. Look at this, it's so cute. This is so cute. So we got coasters this time, and they're not that cute, but because last time I got Jiggly Puff, I was so happy that I'm so disappointed this time. So I think they just have like less selection in this one, which is fine. But
And it's Osaka.
butt's fat, so they can't walk around. Just going in sections.
What happened?
So they're going in sections. Here and there. Because their butt's too big, they can't fit.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. I just realized that.
Oh, wow.
The starters. Hey guys, so I decided that I'm just gonna pop in here during this vlog so I can just kind of talk to you guys about a few things, because I don't think I've ever like officially said certain things. And also I did crack my phone, and so you can see the lens flare, so ignore that. Let's just basically I did film these in November and December when we were in Japan, and I think I'm gonna separate some of these into highlights where it's like more like on one topic. I might either just separate them into separate highlights, as in like this is in the main video, but this is also like if you just want to watch this bit, it's there and it's edited a little different. And I might do ones where they're just full videos on itself, like I might show little bits of it in this vlog but then do full videos on it. I actually did that when I was in Thailand and I like that format. I don't know, I don't even remember how well those did, but I do like doing those, and especially because 2020 is coming and I feel like searchable content is very nice, especially because not everyone wants to sit and watch a whole vlog, but they might want to watch a particular section of the vlog. I've seen other YouTubers do it, and I think it's really a smart idea. I don't know, tell me which format that you're looking forward to, which one you want to do. They are still going to be like daily vlogs that I filmed when I was in Japan. As of right now, I'm doing a Japan series, which means I will be putting up a Japan related video every week on my channel, at least once a week, until the vlogs run out, or I go back to Japan and I film more vlogs. Because we were there for 3 weeks, is a lot of footage, so that's a whole thing. But yeah, I might, towards the end, I know that I didn't vlog as much, so I might start clumping them together and stuff, but we'll deal with that once we get more to the end. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hope you guys will stay tuned for some of the other ones. I know the GoPro footage is a little shaky because I walk like this. I'm weird, okay? I'm sorry. Yeah, anyway, I don't know how to speak. I feel like, do you ever get like so flustered and it's hard to speak? That's me right now. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is usable footage.